Hello everybody. So this video will be some remake video, one of my old videos with the title How to make graphite plastic. So in basic, to make graphite plastic you need three ingredients: styrofoam, acetone and some conductive material. So in my case I use this graphite powder. So this graphite powder is in size 5 microns, I think. But for the conductive material you can add whatever you want. So in basic, more conductive is your material, more conductive will be also the plastic. And now I will put a little bit of acetone. This is enough. And in acetone I will dissolve some styrofoam. Okay, I think that this is enough. Now I will remove the acetone. And now I will add some conductive material. So in basic, this plastic you can use for many applications. So in basic, if you make some batteries or supercapacitors, with this plastic you can make some current collectors. Also quite interesting application for this material is some heating application. You can make from this one some really nice heating panel. More you mix it like this, more acetone will quickly evaporate. So if you make the electrodes from this graphite plastic, in the end it's really important what amount of conductive material you will add into the styrofoam. And also if you make some electrodes, I mean some current collectors for your battery, it's really important that you press the material really hard, but not right now, because right now is a little bit sticky. You need to wait that most of the acetone will evaporate, and then you can press the electrode. Oh. Okay, enough. And now I will press the electrode. So here I have two aluminum plates. This one will be for the bottom and this one will be for on the top. But I will not put this material directly on the aluminum. I will use this. So this paper is some baking paper, and the styrofoam will not stick to this paper. So actually I will do on this side that I have room to make another one. But if you have some pressing machine, you can also use the pressing machine. If you use some pressing machine, you will get much better results. And now I will make a second one. Again, you put some, oh, I have here the acetone. But this time I will change the conductive material. Instead of graphite, I will use also some graphene. So actually I buy this graphene, I buy 1 gram of graphene, and I also mix this graphene with some graphite. So the process is the same like I make on the graphite one. Now you need to mix that the most of the acetone will evaporate, and in the end you press the material. And here is my conductive plastic based on styrofoam. And yeah, it's really good. And now let's see what will be the square resistance of this plastic. ohms, 13.6 ohms. Really nice. So if I want to make more conductive plastic, I just need to put more conductive materials. And now let's test this plastic how is with water. So this water, this plastic will not absorb water. That's why is this plastic really good if you use in your batteries like current collectors. So guys, that's it for now, and we see us in the next video. Bye.